Less than 10 minutes stir-fry prawns. Today we are going to cook mouth-watering oyster tomato sauce easy stir-fry prawn recipe. In this quick and delicious 10 minutes recipe, I will show you how to create a flavorful and aromatic stir-fry using fresh prawns. Yes, fresh sea prawn make all the differences in this dish, as their delicate sweetness and succulent texture elevate the flavors to a whole new level. This recipe is designed to empower you to create a restaurant-quality stir-fry in the comfort of your own kitchen. Let's get started. First stop, prepare the ingredients. Look at these beauties. They are going to be the star of our dish. Now, the secret to replicating the restaurant quality taste starts with using fresh sea prawns. So, make sure to pick up the freshest ones you can find from your local market instead of frozen prawns. Now that everything's prepped, let's fire up the cooking pot. Add some olive oil to the heated cooking pot. Add 2 garlic cloves, some sea salt flakes. Can you smell the aroma? It's the beginning of something truly delicious. Now let's toss in our star ingredient, the fresh sea prawns. These beauties are going to undergo a transformation as we infuse them with layers of flavor using this simple yet effective technique. Instead of tossing them right away, we will cook them on one side first. Before flipping over, add on 1 teaspoon sesame oil, or you can replace it with olive oil. Sesame oil has a rich, nutty aroma that adds depth and complexity to the dish. Just a small amount can infuse the entire stir-fry with its distinctive fragrance, creating an inviting aroma that stimulates the appetite. By cooking the prawns on one side first, we are allowing them to develop a beautiful caramelization and impart a rich flavor. When you cook prawns on one side first, you are essentially searing them, which locks in their natural juices and enhances their sweetness. Just look at that gorgeous color. That's a result of allowing the prawns to cook undisturbed on one side. Once the prawns are almost done, you can then toast them briefly to finish cooking evenly and infuse them with the flavors of the aromatic in the cooking pot. If you're new here, please don't forget to click subscribe button for more recipes. If you would like the other seafood recipe, please click on the link in the description box to check out my better than takeout stir-fry fat rice noodle char kway teow. Stir fry for a couple of minutes and add on a 1/4 cup of water or chicken broth. Adding a small amount of water to the stir-fry helps to create steam, keeping the prawns moist and tender. Add on 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup sauce. Tomatoes bring a natural sweetness and tanginess to this dish, which will complement the savory flavors of the prawns. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is prized for its rich umami flavor, which comes from the combination of oysters, soy sauce, and other seasonings. It adds depth and complexity to this dish, enhancing the savory notes of the prawns and creating a more robust flavor profile. The combination of tomato and oyster sauce helps to create a luscious and flavorful sauce that coats the prawns evenly. The natural juices from the tomato blends with the oyster sauce create a thick and velvety texture that clings to the prawns, ensuring that every bite is bursting with Malaysian flavor. In most of the Malaysian cuisine, you can notice we always add on a little bit of sugar, which we use 1 teaspoon of Muscovado sugar, or you can replace it with some coconut sugar. Adding Muscovado sugar to a prawn stir-fry can enhance the overall flavor profile in several ways, balancing the flavors, depth of flavor, and caramelization. This Malaysian-style tomato and oyster sauce stir-fried prawn typically combines the flavor of Southeast Asian cuisine with a blend of sweet, savory, and tangy notes. If you want some kick of this flavor, you can add on some red chilies to elevate the prawn. While I'm cooking for my son, I'm not going to include the chili in this stir-fry prawn today. Now is the right time to incorporate fresh red onion into our prawn stir-fry, which can add a unique flavor dimension and enhance the overall taste and aroma of this dish. Red onions bring a delightful combination of flavor, texture, and visual appeal to a prawn stir-fry, making them a versatile and delicious ingredients to incorporate into the prawn stir-fry. If you want your onion to be a little bit crunchier, you just stir-fry for a couple of minutes. While if you want to be a softer texture of the onion, you can cook a little bit more of 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, last leg of the seasoning. 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, which is often used in Malaysian style stir-fry, including those featuring prawns to add color, depth of flavor and richness to the dish. Dark soy sauce has a deeper color compared to regular soy sauce due to a longer fermentation process and the addition of molasses or caramel. It has more complex and intense flavor profile. Last but not least, our stir-fry core ingredients: 1 tablespoon of Chinese Shaoxing wine. The distinct aroma of Shaoxing wine adds another layer of complexity. As it evaporates during cooking, it releases its fragrance bouquet, infusing the stir-fry with a rich and aromatic scent that stimulates the appetite. There you have it. This is our secret to gourmet dining in just under 10 minutes with our restaurant quality Malaysian style stir-fry prawns. Incredibly elevate our home cooking game with this quick and easy Malaysian inspired dish, bursting with vibrant flavors and succulent fresh sea prawns. In a flash, you will master this art of creating a culinary masterpiece despite of your busy schedule during the weekday. With every bite, you will experience a symphony of flavors: sweet, savory, tangy, aromatic. If you add on some chili, yes, there are some spiciness, all coming together in perfect harmony. The best dish matched with some fragrant rice. Hope you enjoy my Malaysian style passed down through generation recipes. It's a celebration of Malaysian culinary, Malaysian Chinese heritage right here on your plate. Peeling the succulent stir-fry prawns is an experience in itself, where each delicate shells give way to reveal tender, juicy, fresh beneath. And once the peeling is done, there's only one thing left to do: savor every delectable bite, finger licking good till the very last morsel. Here recap my recipe, or you can go over Hankery.com for the printout recipe. Click on the link in description box below to check out my other stir-fry recipes. If you want to stay up to date with our latest recipes and culinary adventures, don't forget to click on the notification bell. By doing so, you will be the first to know whenever we post a new Mouth-watering recipe. Thanks for your support, and it means a lot to me for the small channel like Hankery.